What do you think will happen? Your head gonna explode.
Come on.
It's just
We
fun.
have to find Rose before she leaves.
I
I
don't
hope she
know.
knows what's happened to us.
She must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Kenapa that dog?
Well, why did she make them look like us?
Because she want to play with
Why didn't you
us.
tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her.
Yeah, now we're gonna have a problem.
You use this.
How do we
place?
crouch?
I've been in here for
Oh.
ages.
B.
B to crouch, X to dash. Alright, I got it.
It's like some
Dardo.
version of reality.
What?
Okay, now I'm good. Wait for me. Up,
I'm not
old
ready.
man.
Cody, through here.
Hey, Dodie.
Hey, Grumpy.
Look,
Hey, fatty.
it's Rose. Rose, honey. Rose,
Rose from Titanic.
she can't hear us.
Who?
Rose from
Her
Titanic.
name is Rose.
Oh no.
How many
Jack?
times have you watched the
How are we gonna
Titanic?
get over there
A
now?
lot of time. I cry every time I watch it.
What?
What the fuck?
Who was it?
When I was like, I don't know, 12.
Is Titanic your favorite movie?
I
No.
know the way.
Not really.
What is your favorite movie
I'll
then?
take you there if you help me save my friends.
What friends?
My tool friends.
You're always
We
talking
used to
dog
be
shit.
important and taken care of, but that
I don't
human
know.
locked us up in her toolbox and left.
You mean May's toolbox?
Yes, yes.
I don't have one,
Heartless
maybe.
woman. Do you know her?
Well,
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for our hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust? It's like burning alive, slowly.
He is rusting.
Look,
goddamn.
Hammer, there's some rust remover spray in that.
It's not,
tool
it's still
cabinet.
good.
We can help save your
Yeah, but
friends,
like
but
some brown
only
shit.
if you
See,
can get
that's
us
a
to Rose
toolbox.
over there.
Okay, it's a deal.
Do you want the
Pick me
hammer?
up.
Take it.
No.
Now
I
go
cannot
back
take it, the
over there.
hammer. You always
Yeah, you
take
can,
it.
we can
Pull
swap.
that nail out. We're gonna need it.
No, you don't
Okay,
think.
here goes.
Oh!
where'd
See,
it
you
go?
always look at.
Just whistle.
What?
Yeah,
Really?
we can swap.
No, you can't.
Oh,
Wow.
cool. We got a flying nail and a talking hammer.
Can you shoot?
Like Yondu, you know Yondu? Do you know Yondu?
No? Yoda?
Yondu, what the fuck? You don't know Yondu?
No?
He
Or for...
whistles and then.
Be careful with that nail, Cody. Don't want
Ouch!
it in my eye.
Or for Yondu.
Drop that hammer on my toe.
Yondu from Guardians of the
Worry, I
Galaxy.
know how to handle tools.
Oh, Yandu. Oh, the red.
Last time
face.
you used
Blue
a
one,
hammer,
what's red?
you smashed your own thumb.
Yeah, well,
Oh, yeah, the blue one.
but I'm in
He
charge.
whistles just like
Okay,
that.
okay.
How do we...
Be careful.
Wait, what? Wait, where? Where? Oh, I'm over here. Yo. Wait again? Where I miss? Am I miss
you
or no?
did
Oh
it,
no.
you
no.
did.
Hey,
Wait, I missed.
maybe we can swing off that nail. Steady now. Sweet moves. I like your style, man.
Oh, thanks, Hammer.
It's so satisfying.
Wait, how do we get there? I cannot get there, right? Is this
you
no?
go, just
No, I
go.
don't think.
Like Robin.
Oh, I'm just gonna do this.
Yondu.
Oh, for Yondu.
There's another nail. Let's go get it.
Yoo-hoo! Still over here.
Whoa! The bridge, please!
The bridge?
Sweet. Part
Oh.
of it.
Hey, hey!
Go easy on me.
Don't stop. Oh. Oh, this one. I know this one.
You don't. No, not yet, so low. Is it too low?
Nice work. Come on. Trust me.
It's very low. Ah! I'm still alive, what the fuck?
Wait. Are you still alive?
I'm glitching up. It's too low, bro. Take it back.
Yeah, too low. My bad. Can you reach? Oh. Wait, you cannot reach it.
This one, the other one's too low. What the fuck?
Okay. Okay, try it. That's perfect. Why?
Even why?
What now?
There are no
Wait, did you watch the Superman trailer?
challenges make
Yeah.
you grow.
That's really good.
With Michi
Can't you
and
just
you.
leave us alone?
Oh, it's really good to be
I
honest.
told you it's good, stupid.
What?
It beat,
You always
it beat
learn
No Way
something
Home
new.
and
So,
in terms of views.
when you
Really?
hear
Yeah.
this sound,
I feel like
so
I'm watching it from like 2004 or like 90s probably.
you will find the
What the fuck?
challenge.
No, the Superman
is really
suit.
good.
Yeah, the Superman suit is like the old suit, like the comic original one.
To your first
Yeah, 'cause it's trying to be comic
challenge.
accurate.
Win or lose.
And they're also showing off the new hero. Not the new one, the other
Like, who was
heroes.
the new heroes?
Like the guy with the not he new, the older one, the other one.
Time for this.
Oh, you afraid?
The guy with the wings.
No
I love
way.
him. The guy with the wing, you know that?
Oh, I'm gonna bring it.
Ooh.
Like Hawkeye.
What? Hawkeye. Hawkeye doesn't have wings. They're stupid.
Don't blame
No,
me if the
Hawkeye in DC have wing. Or Eagle Eye, I don't know.
What? Eagle Eye. Eagle Eye is my friend.
How do we pop up? Yow! Kok lambat sih? Lah?
I'm the champion.
Lah?
Bad.
You were two against
I won
one.
3 times already.
Wait, kenapa? Karena kan belum finish. Oh, I want to do that again.
But we
No.
lost 3-0.
No, it's not.
Alright, I'm looking forward
Biasanya
to
kan
this.
sampai hijaunya tuh sampai tinggi.
3-0.
Kok aku nggak ngerasain getaran sih? Tuh, kok aku nggak getaran ya?
You want getaran?
Heeh. Ah. Ah. Kok lama sih keluarnya? Ih. Ih. I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. No.
4-0.
5-0.
No, it's 4. What's
4? Or you wanna make it 5? Let's go 5.
Oh yeah, it is 5.
No, you 4.
No, look on top. It says 5-0.
No, it's 4-0 for me.
I'll go easy on me. I'll go easy on you.
Okay. I mean, you just doing it. It's so easy. But just randomize. Eee, ooh,
Easy.
ee, ooh,
I hit you.
ooh, 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 ooh,
Yeah.
ooh, ooh. Ouch!
Please.
Ooh, 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 ooh,
Bingo.
Ow!
That's right.
I just need one more hit and I win.
No, you're not.
But I'm going easy.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
Why I didn't get the point? Okay, can I stay for long as I can? Then you don't hit
Yeah,
me,
stay
please.
for long. Yeah, okay.
Oh, wait, what?
I win.
You do better than that.
I win. What
We
is it?
try.
6-0? Look on top. It says 6-0.
No, it's 5 in my screen. Look at my screen. It's 5.
6.
No, I don't care your screen. My screen is 5. I'm dead.
Of course you're dead, dude.
Sweet
It's
sound.
5-0 for me.
Nothing better.
No, it's 6 for me.
Oh, I don't believe in your screen.
I believe in my screen.
Ah, wait, what do I die?
You have to grab on the side.
Oh,
See, it's
5.
6-0.
No, it's 5. What the heck? I keep going under. The heck? Look, I keep going under. Oh, on the side. No, I'm not. See? Like that. And then we're going that. And then I'm die. Wait. Here? Here? We jump? Wait, should we go? Wait, which part do you go? Oh, that part. Okay. Come on. Whoop. Oh, I need to go down there. Am I? What the?
Hold on tight.
Go, come on, you can do it. Yay.
There's another machine in the way here, Cody.
What machine? Oh, here. Wait, no! Wait, what? Oh, can you do it again, please? Please? Yeah. And then I go here. And then I go this.
But I'm like jogging.
What's your game?
So
I'm dead. Aku lapar tau.
makan apa? Kau tadi makan katanya tuh.
Tapi masih lapar lagi. I don't know why.
Get some snacks or something.
What is it? Oh, this one is easy.
If I die once, then
Be careful now, May.
Yeah.
Oh, so be careful, May.
Don't screw this up.
Yeah.
you're
Just
too
get
far.
to jumping.
Okay.
You ready?
Wait, bentar. Oh,
Are you
you
serious?
you die or not?
You really killed me.
Go. Can you go? Where's that going? Where am I supposed to go?
Where am I supposed to go? Not yet. There's something here. Wait.
Should I go here? There's a button here.
Is that an Easter egg? That's a achievement or something.
Can I press it? How do we dash?
Yo.
How do we like this and then jump to
No, I
bawah?
think you're gonna need my hammer. I think that's an Easter egg.
Jatuh aku.
Nice one.
Easy one.
We're gonna put it here. Ready? Too high? No, it's perfect. Wait. Yay. Wait, I wanna go to this thing.
I can't. You need me. You need the hammer.
How do I get there then? Oh. And this mini game over there, you don't want to play it.
What?
Mini game.
Saw blades? Really?
Mini game?
The mini game.
What mini game? That's not a mini game. That's an Easter egg. I think.
Got it. That makes 3.
Jump, 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 jump.
Don't jump, bro.
No, you push it.
Jump.
You push it.
What do you mean push it? Yeah, you're jumping. Don't jump. Just stay still.
Come on. Push. Oh my god.
Bro, you move. No.
Push. Push. Woo.
What do you mean push? Hit. Hit
Yep.
sky.
Oh,
Good.
great.
This.
Another trust exercise.
What?
Oh,
You think I'm gonna miss?
I hope not.
Yeah, you're gonna miss.
not gonna miss anything. I'm too good for this. Wait, I have 3? Eh? My
Said
bad.
you're gonna miss.
Wrong button.
Miss?
Wrong button. I'm sorry.
Yo, Michi, what's good? Game perusak pertemanan emang ini dajal yang Bonnie, you dumb piece of shit, bro. God damn. Udah kenapa bocah cilik.
Gotta go.
Lu pernah main sih?
Go.
I'm the highest. Go. Serak.
Go, go, you dumb.
Do it again.
Tell highest.
Now. Yeah, go. Quick.
Quick.
It's easier with the controller.
Wait, I don't have a hammer.
Suara gue kecil nggak?
Good, you're good.
Wait,
Go there.
left wall.
Oh. Hup. Yay.
Check. I just need to be a bit
Go.
closer. Go. Sabar. Kemana ini?
Hanan, you're right.
You two have pretty good teamwork.
Kasahin for me.
I got you.
Oh, don't hurt me with that glasses. Wait. You're not gonna try it. Yeah. Come on.
There's the toolbox. Both of you, come on, help me break
I got
through that, you know.
Come on, hurry up,
All right,
man.
Cody. Could use some extra force here.
Yeah, I got it.
My bad.
You have pulls. Oh, this is the second boss. Yeah, we did it. The second boss. We did it in 1 hour. Yesterday we did it in 2 hours.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wait, what are we doing?
Grimy toolbox.
We're going down, of course.
Hang in there, tool buddies. We're coming to save you.
Oh, we're going. Yep.
Run for the hills.
Ah! Oh my dick!
Weird mother.
Sorry, language.
Bro, kid friendly, bro. Friendly fire.
You'll never get away with this, you.
Woo! Wait, what are you doing?
Kena titik voodoo. Bro, lari. Kena titik voodoo.
Yo.
Bro, this shit's too easy. Well, look, I'm a ninja. Oh, we fucked. Wait, throw there, bro.
Help! Wait, go where? Where? The button? Oh yeah.
The bottom.
Run. Oh, my bad.
Why are you saying my bad when you die?
Oh no.
Trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
Yo, I need your nail, bro. Broski.
Come on. You find the nail.
Terlalu.
Wait, we're on the high.
What the
I did it. Come on.
You got it? Run. Oh.
Hup. Run, run. Ooh, I
Boss
just...
fight, boss fight, boss fight.
No, my height is low. I need to die.
Your low is height. My height is low.
Ouch!
I need your nail, I need your nail.
Then don't help me.
In front of me,
Oh my god.
bro. Big dig. Where's the big dig? There.
Come on.
Good one, Cody.
Kobe. My name is Foggy. Angry faces, hello Michio. What's up? Wait.
Look at my light dogs.
Hmm? Wait. I told you wait. I'm dead again. Wait, what's my screen? Gila gendut, apa gendut lagi lari? Wait, can you just like, gamble, like stand in one spot and not die?
Bro.
Oh,
Ya ampun. Ada pohon atau yang serius.
Smackdown? Ooh. Do you think this is Smackdown? This is like
What's Smackdown?
Mimi. Oh, here, come on.
Got it, May.
Good. Now get me to the other side.
There. Wait, I have. Come on.
Wow, bro, you took the other one.
Wait, you dead?
GG's guys, it's gonna take us 5 hours.
No, it's gonna be like 2 hours.
Bro, focus up, bro.
May, do I look like a nail for you?
Please.
Watch out!
Okay, go. You need my help. Crush it.
There's one more. Did you say Mimi? What did you say?
Yeah, just Mimi accidentally. I say Michi. Yeah, I said Mimi.
Chin.
The drill! Oh, this is not the drill!
Toolbox, crazy!
Yeah. Next time I'll find a smaller one.
Oi.
Mati!
What did you do? Oh fuck.
Can we talk about this?
We're long past negotiating.
Oh, no.
Cody.
Haha.
How did he miss?
It's not better!
I was aiming for him to hit you. He hit both of
Because I'm better, and I just died. How do we dodge this thing?
you. Like that.
What?
Wow.
Like how?
Do the wow.
Ooh! Woohoo!
Look, I'm not gonna move. He's just gonna hit me.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Okay, this time, come on.
Go.
Go!
1, 2. You can hit twice every jump.
Oh, I only get able to hit twice in one
Yeah, you can hit
time.
twice.
Yeah, this is the hard part.
Oh, this
Oh.
is me.
Wait, have you ever continued the game after chapter 2 or no? Yes or no?
Yeah. But I don't remember, bro.
Why? Why you don't remember? Oh, you're gonna fall.
Nope.
Okay, how do we... Okay, it's gonna slap us.
Hey, get me back
Go,
up
go,
there!
Go.
1, 2.
No, I cannot hit 3 times. Trust me. Only 2 times. The game just want us to be suffer.
What do you mean? It's a puzzle. There's no space, you're gonna die.
Please.
What?
Oh, you die again.
I died! I was waiting for you to come, bro. I really
Okay,
so bad.
go, okay. Go. One more. One more. Yes, finally we did it. Woohoo.